Hi everyone, welcome back to part 7 of Copperplate Calligraphy Basics, and we are going to start with more capitals and see how many we can do today. So let's get started. We are going to make our markings 2A, 1A, X height, 1D and 2D. We are going to start with the letter G. We are going to start at 2A, stop at 1A, make a reverse oval. But instead of finishing the oval, we are going to push it on the inside to make a second loop and sit on 1x. Then we are going to take the universal line of beauty, sit on x and make our dot. This is letter G for you. If you are new to Copperplate Calligraphy, please mark the letters like I have shown here. You may get confused. It's very different from what we do normally. So we are doing the G again. If you're following along, please send your practice sheets. We can all grow together. Okay, our G is ready. Now there's one more letter which has a similar beginning. We start with the oval, and as we did for G, we do the same but a longer line. This now serves as the universal line of beauty, and we make a small loop, a fish loop, which stops at X height. That is letter L. Let's do this again. We start with the X height. We begin here. We make the long universal line of beauty. We take the loop and move out. That's letter L. Another letter which has the similar beginnings is letter S. We begin from here. Then we make the universal line of beauty like you did for letter L, but instead of making the loop, we will leave it behind and make a dot. This is letter S. One thing to note about S is when you make a flourished S, this form changes. Okay? So this is how it is classically written in copperplate calligraphy. Alright? Flourishing differs because you can flourish in a lot of ways. Alright? Once we've done this, we are going to look at few more letters. Let's mark our X height. We know that the descender becomes the ascender for the next line. So we are making our markings in the same fashion. Now the letter that we are going to do begins with the universal line of beauty starting right from A1 till the X height. We make the dot here. From the X height, we move up and make another line of beauty, but on the opposite direction. This gives us our H. Let's finish the letter H with a compound curve in the beginning. Okay, this is letter H. Let's do this again. We start with the universal line of beauty. We make our another universal line of beauty on the opposite side, and then our compound curve. This makes letter H. Another letter which has similar beginnings is letter K. We start with the universal line of beauty. We make our compound curve. And instead of making this loop on the opposite side, we are going to make an open loop and a half compound curve. there is a small loop here. This is letter K. Let's do this again. We start with the universal line of beauty. We make our compound curve in the top end, left corner. On the right side, we make one loop, a small intersection, and half compound curve which sits on the X height. Okay, so till now we have done 5 letters: G, L, S, H, and K. Moving further, we will make our markings here and take few more letters. Let's begin with 2 more letters. Letter I. As we began here for letter H and letter K, the same way we are going to begin our letter at 1A, come down at X height, make your loop, go back up at 1A, come back to 2A and exit. This is letter I. Let's do this again. We start at your height, universal line of beauty. We make a left side loop and exit on the right side, sitting on 2A. Okay, this is letter I. Now in the similar fashion, we will make our markings again because this time we will need that. We are going to do letter J. Letter J is a long letter, so we are going to go right down till 2D, come up till X again, exit, and then make our loop for J. Okay, this is letter J for you. J starts from 1A and finishes at 2D. Okay, let's do this again. The universal line of beauty goes right down, and before we take a turn at 2D, we make it monoline. And then we come up to X height, exit at X height on the right side, come back on the left and make our J. Okay, so these are the letters that we are covering today. Let me know how you liked it. If there's anything, any queries regarding this script that you want to discuss about, leave a comment. I will leave my WhatsApp link with you. You can join the group and we can discuss this further. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want anything calligraphy related. Thank you so much.